What's good, YouTube? I drove the car earlier today. I didn't get a chance to report it. I had to go to the barracks. Right now, I'm headed to a car show. Woo. And you can see my wife and my 16 back there. Both my cars are a little beat up right now, but hey, it'd be good to get on up out the house, do something, not be cooled up like we usually are. 12:09 right now. It's about 72 degrees, I think. Gotta let my car warm up some. I'm on the Army base, so I can't, show above the dash too much. But the car show is just a few minutes away from the house. I know my transmission fluid is leaking a little bit. It's just a little bit. It don't leak while the car is on. It's a very small leak. Maybe just at idle, but I'm gonna go back over to advance and I'm gonna take this oil pan, gasket back and everything, since I didn't need all of that. The 8 RTV is doing fine. I should have took the tops off. I know I need to check my vacuum because my brakes are horrible. Even though I got new rotors and everything put on last year when I first got the car. Well, not when I first got it, but eventually I put new stuff on it. As you can hear, she's loud. I hope I don't get no tickets from being too loud. Yeah, she's sounding good. But yeah, I'm on my way to the car show. I'm gonna record some videos and catch y'all a little later. Yeah, that's sexy right there. Look, but don't touch. I was reading the sticker that's in there. Woo. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna give me one of these one day. Step side. That's clean, man. That's clean. Yeah, I can't wait till we get everything situated.
I'm 18 years old, and I was. You could have fooled me.
Yeah, man. It's my first time seeing these vehicles in person, and they selling it. wait to get my money up. Cause this stuff is nice. Woo. On it. Track hammer. Man. If my camera work look a little bit of, you know, S-wordish. Try not to put too much of the, you know, bass on. I see why they were detailing it yesterday. Yeah. They got a supercharge on now. Look like a Whipple. Yep, you got a Whipple on it.
It's sick.
I'm telling you, man, just put the snake on it.
I'm a Chevrolet guy, but hey, this is nice.
I was too till I got a Mustang.
I got my little shit box over there.
Which one's yours? Shit box.
Well, that's my 18 that.
Is that Camaro yours? Were you just driving that? Okay.
Yeah,
I thought I saw you driving that.
Yeah, she did that one, but parking block. She drove on top of parking block, and my 18 is on the other side of that green car.
Another Camaro?
No, my 86.
I mean, is it another Camaro?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Y'all ain't in the show?
Unfortunately, not. Yeah, they're not ready to be.
We did sales at
Oh, really?
340. Yeah, we're gonna be broke when we get old. Yeah, I just really started getting into cars not too long ago, and this is nice.
Thank you. Oh, you want to get
Man.
it? Go ahead.
Box body. You want to go take a look at it? That cat out for what you call it? I forgot the name of that cat. You made me want to go start my car up.
He ain't gonna say no. He in his carriage right now.
My closed up. I can't wait to get my stuff wrapped. That shit box over here. It's clean, man. Look at that paint job.
I don't like that.
Huh?
I feel like my whole car be judged.
Or would it be in Cannon in the back? Man, this is nice. Of course, I have a deep appreciation for old cars. Chevrolet Comet. Oh, excuse me, your phone ringing. Let's see the inline 6. I'm first time seeing the inline 6. How you doing? Inline 6? What, straight 6?
Yeah, 144. Well, there's actually a balance because you've always got two cylinders 120 degrees at a phase that you go for. So they're really inline. It's naturally balanced.
My first time seeing a straight 6 in person. Yeah, it looks nice.
My Studebacker's got a flat, my Rambler got flathead seats.
Mm-hmm.
So the valves are in the block next to the piston, and they separate.
Like inline's better because it separates the heat from the intake, and then they run a lot.
I like that. Staying with the classic thing. You see that Corvette down there? Woo. I wonder what year it is. First generation. Is yours? Hey, well it is.
That kind of money.
Is yours? You got you a nice car here, ain't it, Stick?
Yes, it is. 7.
Woo! Now I haven't seen a steering wheel like that one yet. Top at the top. Yes, ma'am. I've been inside a Corvette before, but I ain't never get a chance to hit the road with it. That's a nice steering wheel.
Takes a while to
That's a nice steering wheel. Man. Yeah, I got an 18 Camaro and an 86 over there. They're not show ready, so I just drive them over here.
This is my show ready.
I mean, if I can drive it in, I'll drive it in.
Right.
If they got it open, but
Mine's just a survivor.
yeah,
Rebuild it until the motor blows up.
I just got my 86 started back up. I came here for basic in January. I'm in AIT now, and so before I had got the car sent over here, I still had some fixing up on it to do.
Yeah.
I just got it ready last weekend. My oil pan was leaking. I got the oil pan leak fixed. So if they got some room for me to drive it in, I'll drive it in. Look, it's open over there. So I'll probably drive it in and park over there.
Yeah.
Man. And it's by Summit Racing. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. I think it's the only one I wouldn't get though.
At Bel Air.
I can see myself.
Yeah. Especially we drive down to Florida in it. Yeah, this real Florida vibes right here.
My hair down, I'm just saying.
Yeah, man. All these Bel Airs lined up. God dang. Steering collar shifter. Man. I need to go and pull my car around here. Look at this. Man, I'm probably finna pull my car around. I think it's open down there. Man, how you doing? She kind of plain. And they got them for sale. 13 grand. I might have to look into this. Man. 13,000. You want it? Good, it costs clean. Man, I'm probably gonna pull my car around. Hold on. You probably don't even remember what this is. I ain't talking about that Impala.